This is one of the best smoked vegetable recipes you could make. It's so easy.
And today we are smoking asparagus. Let's do it.
I think this is a great Thanksgiving smoker dish because you kind of fancy it up a little bit. So you add a little bit more seasonings than if you were just smoking asparagus. Here goes some salt, some lemon juice and zest. Started with some olive oil. You could add whatever sort of herbs and spices you want. I just did some salt and pepper. And then you just make sure to coat them all over with all the seasonings. And then I like to actually put smoked asparagus directly on some sort of wire rack that I have in my kitchen. You know, one of those cooling racks that you might use if you're baking muffins, because I find it's easier. You don't have to worry about the asparagus falling through the Traeger grill grates, and you can flip them right on the wire rack, and it's also super easy to take them on and off the grill. So smoked asparagus smokes in the Traeger or whatever pellet grill you're using at 225 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're gonna smoke them for about an hour total till they're fork tender. The first half hour goes by, then you flip them, then you smoke them for another half hour, and usually at that point they're done. These are pretty thick asparagus. If you're using thinner asparagus, they'll probably cook up a bit faster. Get all the recipe steps for this and other smoker side dishes and main dishes like steaks and chickens and turkeys, all at sipbitego.com. This one I like to finish with some sliced almonds and some Parmesan cheese to give it a really beautiful presentation. Cheers!